I picked this up at my favorite store, Harbor Freight, the best store that there is. I love this store. So I picked it up. I'm looking to replace these two bags. This one and this one. Hold on, I'm getting it now, if I can get it. As you can see, they're so filled that it doesn't close, so that's what I'm looking to improve. And I got this big giant bag. It's a 20-inch roll-away bag. Doesn't seem like great quality, but you know, it's Harbor Freight, and hopefully it will do the job I need and it won't break, and it'll last me a few years before I have to replace it. So it's more for convenience. I hate lugging these two bags around. As you can see, they're all open and it's hard to get a grip on them. So I'm hoping that this resolves the issue. So let me start loading it up and I'll play a description of the item and then finish off when I finish loading the bag.
Voyager 20 inches rolling tool bag. Cost $24.99. Harbor Freight let the wheels carry the weight with this rolling tool bag. Product overview. 2 wheels and an extendable handle make this rolling tool bag an extremely easy way to transport tools without a lot of straining or heavy lifting. The rugged nylon bag has pockets inside and out for organizing equipment. You can also use the bag as a light-duty dolly or as carry-on luggage for weekend getaways. 6 outside pockets, 15 inside pockets for organizing tools. Rugged 600 Denier nylon. 30 inches. Long telescoping handle. Sturdy casters with extra stable wide stance. Important information. Specifications. SKU, S. Brand Voyager. Caster size, in 2-1/4 inches. Handle length, in 30 inches. Material, nylon. Product height, 10 inches. Product length 20 inches. Product width, 18 inches. Shipping weight, 5.85 pounds. Size, S, 20 inches. Note, specifications are approximate and subject to change. Warranty. We guarantee this product to be free from defects in materials and workmanship 90 days from the date of purchase. Limitations apply.
So I finished. I was able to put everything that was in those two bags, and I'm going to use the two bags for something else in that one bag, which is pretty cool. And let me measure the distance between the amount of distance you get from the floor. So it's about 19 inches of clearance closed and opened up. From the floor, it's gonna be about 27 1/4. Put it down on the floor so I can show you. It has the little hand, and the big handles here. It's a very heavy bag now. I take it back. I think it's a little bit higher. So hold on, let me. Yeah, it's 35, the highest. Sorry, I didn't do it all the way. 35 inches, the highest handle. 35, so The button to open and close it. Seems okay. Not too bad. It has pockets in the front. I could put stuff in the front. It's pretty cool. From Harbor Freight. All right, all the info will be below. I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you.